Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is February 4th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir, okay, great. Up 49 cents, 3.94%, 12.94 post market. We are down 2 cents. Looking at those numbers tell us nothing. This is just noise. What is not noise is the chart. So when we look at the chart, we understand that the stock is doing nothing. So we are stuck between 11.94 and 14.42. And the stock is going to move between these two lines. It can go up one day, down the next day, up 2 days, down the next 2 days. It can do whatever it wants. This is all noise. This is all noise. When we are looking at the daily chart, this is noise. What is not noise is when we are going to break this downward resistance here, then it starts becoming information. It starts becoming a signal that we can act on if we want to. When it's going to cross 1442, then it's going to become another signal, probably a buy signal, but it's a signal and it's not noise. So basically, this is what technical analysis is trying to do, is trying to decipher what is noise and what is signal. Noise, we cannot do much about that, but signals, we can do something about that. Okay, let's go see the 1 hour chart. A 1 hour chart. So where's today? Wow, okay. Nice green candle today. Boom. Nice green candle. A higher volume in the day. So somebody's buying here. And the stock was trending sideways for 4 candles, but the lows were higher. The lows were higher and the top was at the same place. So this was effectively a ascending triangle. So we have this and we have this. So this is a pattern. This little thing is a pattern, and the pattern is that when you are having higher lows like this with the same highs, this is an indication that the stock should be breaking this line right here. And this is what the stock did. So it broke it and it came back down to this, I think it's approximately 12.94. Stochastic was not super high here. Stochastic was not high. I don't trust this move too much yet. So this move is almost, I can almost qualify this as a noise. Let's go back to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we still have MACD crossed over bullish. So this is the one of the earliest indicators that is telling us when there's a reversing trend. So we have MACD that is telling us here, but MACD, we should not only rely on MACD because MACD told us right here. It told us in December, it crossed, the blue line crossed above the orange line here, telling us, okay, yeah, there's a change in trend. It's not coming down anymore. There's a change in trend. But that change in trend was more going sideways than going up. MACD is telling us this, so it's nice, but I don't qualify this as a signal yet. Yeah, let's just keep this in mind here. If you are using TradingView, click on the resistance, add an alert, and you have a bunch of parameters and create this alert. So TradingView is going to tell you when the stock is going to cross this resistance. So this is a time-saving way to follow a bunch of stocks, do a bunch of lines everywhere, and when the stock crosses a line, then you get this signal and then you can act on it. If you want to use this tool, I have a TradingView affiliate link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member or you can click on my TradingView affiliate link. For the members, we are going to have a live on Sunday looking at the weekly chart for Tesla and Palantir. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.